Om Namaha Shivaya. Here we are seeing miracle puja conch from Indian version. You can very clearly see the Shivalingam pearl naturally formed inside this conch. See the center of the conch. You can see very naturally Shivalingam pearl formed. It is perfectly like a Amarnath Panilinga. And this conch is very heavyweight conch, nearly 1.4 kg, 1.4 kg, very high quality conch with naturally pearl in the shape of Shivalingam. Amazing, unbelievable, extremely miracle, totally unbelievable. See how clear is a Shivalingam pearl inside. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.